Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage base gear in Dark and Darker. To do this, first we'll need to open our merchant, navigate to the square, then you can go for the base gear. Here you can see all of the items available for your base gear. You can right click on already equipped items to remove them. So for example, let's remove this rope and I want to equip this adventurer tunic, and we want to left click on it and it should be equipped. Then we need to click set base gear and then equip a base gear. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.